Let's see another practical problem on trigonometry. Mohan has to put a logo on a building whose height is 12 meter at a distance of 2 meter from the top. Okay, the ladder he is using has an angle of 60 degree to the top of logo. Find the distance of foot of ladder from building second. Okay, length of ladder. Okay, so Mohan has to put a logo on a building whose height is 12 meter. So the height of this building, which is this complete height, is 12 meter at a distance of 2 meter from the top. So the logo has to come at a distance of 2 meter from the top. So if this is the top, the distance between the top and the logo, which is this point, is 2 meter. Right? The ladder he is using has an angle of 60 degree to the top of the logo. So if I take this angle, so this becomes my horizontal thing. If I take this angle is 60 degree to the top of the logo, which is basically this thing. Right? Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the building. So you need to first find out what's the distance of the foot from the ladder from the building. So you have to find this thing. Right? Now if you see, basically this total distance is 12 meter. Let's call this as T. Let's call this point as P, Q, R. Now we know that TR is equal to 12 meter is equal to TP plus PR. Right? So this plus this is the total height, or 12 meter is equal to TP. TP is what? 2 meter plus PR. Effectively PR is equal to, then take this 2 meter to the other side of the equation, 12 meter minus 2 meter. So now this line we've got as 10 meter. Now we have to find out what is the value of D. So let's say you have to find out a trigonometric ratio, which is basically PR upon QR. So if you see, you know this, you don't know this, right? D is a question mark. So this upon this, what is the ratio which is there for these two? This is what PR is, basically side opposite to angle Q, and QR is side adjacent to angle Q. We know that this relationship is what? It's equal to tan relationship, right? And we know that this angle is 60 degree. Therefore, tan 60 degree is equal to PR upon QR. Now PR I know is 10, QR I don't know, is equal to tan 60 degree. Now what's the value of tan 60 degree? Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3, or QR is equal to 10 divided by root 3. That's the length of QR. So that's the distance of the foot of the ladder from the building, right? The second thing that you need to find out is the length of the ladder, which is this point. Now again, this is basically what? The hypotenuse. You know this angle degree, and you know that this side is 10 meter, right? So if we see, what we have is PR upon PQ, or side opposite to angle 60 degree upon hypotenuse, which is what relationship? It's basically sine. PR again you know is 10 upon PQ is equal to sine 60 degree. Now what's the value of sine 60 degree? Sine 60 degree is root 3 upon 2. Okay, which implies that PQ is equal to 2 into 10 will give you 20 divided by root 3. So PQ equals to length of the ladder is equal to 20 divided by root 3. So that's how basically you apply trigonometric ratio to arrive at various solutions.